Everyone, and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Ads for call ads. First thing we need to do is to go to our Google Ad account. Then next, we will go to Tools and Settings, and Measurement, then Conversions. Then, New Conversion Action, and we will click Phone Calls. Then, we will choose Call from Ads using call extensions or call only ads. Click Continue. Next, we will set our goal and action optimization. So we will just flip it to phone call leads, then create our conversion name. Then we will set our budget. Next, choose your count. So we can choose every or one. So for this tutorial, we will use one. The call lengths you want to measure, and the duration of your ads. Lastly, the attribution model. So for this, we'll use last click. Then create and continue. Now we have set up our call ads. So click done. And that's how you use Google Ads for call ads. So if you like this kind of video and want to be updated for more, please click like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.